Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a leilit espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from the porto from over here pretty much, and it was basically the gasket. It was not making a good seal inside the group head, and that's what basically was just leaking. So we ended up replacing the gasket, giving the machine a tune empty, cleaning everything, the group head pretty much, and descanning the machine, back flushing it, making sure everything's working fine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna taste it out. The grind's a little bit too fine for this machine. You can totally see just barely dripping in there. But there's no leaks coming out from the portafilter at all. We're gonna stop it now. And now for hot water, which should be this one. Working perfectly fine. And now for the steam, which it will take a little bit longer. It's a little hard to remove the portafilter with just one hand. As you can see, it was way too fine. And water coming out to there perfectly. And there you have it. Lady Man working once again. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.